Okay, so now we're doing exercises for chapter 2, specifically number 5C, which asks, is the function e to the minus x times x to the 1.5 rising or falling at x equals 4. Okay, so let's think about what we need to answer this question. Well, looking at the function, we know this is a product, so we need the product rule. This term is uses the exponential constant, so we need to use the exponential rule, and we need the power rule here. Okay, and then we need to evaluate at x equals 4. So using the product rule, essentially we take the derivative of this term with respect to x times this term plus the derivative of the second term with respect to x times the first term. Okay, and then what we get is that equals negative e to the negative x times x to the 1.5 plus 1.5 x to the 0.5 times e to the minus x. We can factor out the e to the minus x, and then what we get is it equals e to the minus x times this inside difference, 1.5x to the 0.5 minus x to the 0.5. Okay? And then we want to evaluate this at x equals 4. So wherever we see an x, we're going to plug in a 4. And then we want to see whether this is the resulting value is greater than or less than or equal to 0. Okay, we plug a 4 in here. E to the minus 4 is positive. Okay, so this isn't going to affect the sign, or this isn't going to make the sign negative. Whether the sign is positive or negative of the derivative is going to be determined by the inside. If this inside is positive, then the overall derivative will be positive. If it's negative, the overall derivative will be negative. So we evaluate that this at x equals 4. So we get 1.5 times 4 to the 0.5 is 2, minus 4 to the 1.5 is 4 times square root of 2. Okay? And so this is 3 minus 4 times square root of 2. We know 4 times square root of 2 is greater than 3. So this inside value is negative. Therefore, the derivative is less than 0. And if the derivative of the function is less than 0 at x equals 4, then the function is falling. Okay, that means the slope of the tangent line to the function at x equals 4 is negative. So the function is falling at x equals 4. Okay, thank you.